Blue Origin is best known for launching rockets into space, but the company has much bigger ambitions than simply putting payloads into orbit. It's working on plans for private space stations, lunar exploration, and now, a global network of ground stations designed to keep spacecraft connected with Earth. This new system is called Quartz, and it's hard to miss. The network uses unusual white, bulb-shaped antennas designed to handle satellite communications, tracking, and telemetry. Earlier this month, Blue Origin announced that the first 3 Quartz ground stations had been deployed and successfully tested. These first stations are located in Bermuda, New Zealand, and Australia. Blue Origin plans to add 6 more stations before the end of the year, although the locations haven't been revealed yet. The idea behind Quartz is pretty straightforward. Spacecraft in orbit need reliable communication with ground stations. But existing infrastructure can be fragmented, and spacecraft often have only limited windows to communicate with Earth. Blue Origin wants to solve that problem by creating a single, integrated network that can provide more consistent coverage. The first 3 Quartz antennas have an aperture of 12 feet, or about 3.7 meters, and support S-band and X-band frequencies for low Earth orbit missions. The next generation will be even larger, with apertures reaching 30 feet, or around 9 meters. These larger antennas will support L-band, S-band, X-band, and K-band frequencies. That expanded capability means Quartz could support much more than basic communications. The network is being designed to handle mission data, telemetry, tracking, and commands for spacecraft operating in geostationary transfer orbit, and even cislunar space around the Earth and Moon. Blue Origin hasn't revealed exactly which missions will be the first to use the network, but security-related missions are a major priority. Quartz is also designed for radiometric tracking, signal intelligence, and space domain awareness, giving operators a better understanding of what is happening around Earth. For the remaining 6 stations, Blue Origin is working with RBC Signals to help with site surveys, antenna procurement, deployment, and hosting. Blue Origin itself plans to maintain oversight and handle incident response, with the goal of creating a communications network that depends as little as possible on outside infrastructure. At the same time, Blue Origin is upgrading Launch Pad 36B at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida. The upgrade is intended to support the upcoming 9x4 version of the company's New Glenn rocket. That could make Quartz especially important in the future. As New Glenn begins carrying out more missions, including spacecraft connected with NASA's Artemis program, Blue Origin's new ground network could become a key part of keeping those missions connected from Earth to orbit, and potentially all the way toward the Moon. So while rockets may still be the most visible part of Blue Origin's business, Quartz shows that the company is building something much larger behind the scenes, an infrastructure designed to keep the next generation of spacecraft talking to Earth wherever they are.